Hello people! So today's video is going to be another testing video, and I'm going to be testing out a brand I've never actually tried before. I've heard some things about the brand and I just want to test them out for myself. I've got here the Karity Picante palette. I think that's how you say it. Still not 100% sure. But yes, obviously it's a warm toned one. So I've done this whole tutorial here and I've done a little kind of review and kind of like my first impression as well. So if you want to see how I got this eye look and what I think of this palette as a first impression, then make sure you are subscribed and give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. Here's the palette right here. I've been wanting to try this for a while. It went out of stock on Beauty Bay. It's finally come back into stock. And yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about Karity as a brand. I think they're American, not 100% sure, but as far as I know, you can only get them from Beauty Bay in the UK. Honestly, I got the warm toned one, of course, and I just looked at this and I was like, I felt something when I saw this. So yeah, it's called the Picante palette. Picante, I don't know how you say that. Picante? I don't know. I thought I would just do like a eyeshadow tutorial obviously of it, and then I'll just kind of give my overall thoughts and kind of like a first impression review at the end after I've done the eye look, so you can kind of see, well, you'll see anyway when I'm doing the eye look, you know, if anything's patchy, if it's not blending, if it is blending, how pigmented everything is. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have no idea what kind of look I want to do. All I know is that I want to use like some of the purples, I think. I don't know. We'll see. One of the chances. So I love this. This is the look I did. I did kind of like a sunset kind of eye, I guess. And oh my god, these eyeshadows are so good. Like, they just blended so easily. Like, you would have seen it. It just blended so easily. Like, I went in with quite a harsh colour as like first transition shade, and oh my god, it just blended so nicely, and I didn't feel like I needed to like use the lighter shade to blend that out that much. I know I did, but I didn't really have to blend it that much. Just shimmery shade I used over the lid. Obviously I used my silicone brush like I usually do. Used it dry, it wasn't wet whatsoever, and oh my god, hello pigment. I love this palette. Like, I know I've only used it once, but I just know I'm gonna really like this palette. I'm gonna do some more like warm tone, well, I know this is warm tone, but as in like with the browns and a bit more of a wearable look, and do more looks with the palette 100%. So this is everything done. I'm seriously so obsessed with the eye look and just this palette. This is it for today, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have tried Karity or like any of the other eyeshadow palettes or anything, let me know, and let me know what you think, because oh my gosh, like I said, I'm definitely going to do some more looks with this palette, and I'll probably film them as well. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.